Ladies and gentlemen, I call this the profit recovery solar system because it doesn't just help Safeland Hotel, it doesn't just give Safeland Hotel constant power supply, but it also allows them to recover all the profits they've been losing to fuel. Now, this system consists of 3 pieces of 10 kilowatt inverter parallel together to form a 30 kilowatt inverter. And for the battery side, we have 6 units of 15 kilowatts hour lithium ion battery parallel together to give a total of 90 kilowatt hour battery bank. And on the roof, we installed 60 pieces of 615 watts bifacial solar panels producing up to 37 kilowatts of power. Wow, that is massive. So this system again will help Safeland Hotel achieve constant power supply for their customers, help them recover all the profits they've been losing to fuel, and also help increase their customers who will be coming here day in, day out because of their constant power supply. Now, this system will power up to 20 rooms in the hotel, including the kitchen area, the bar area, the pool area, and the reception. And for each room to be powering the lighting points, the fans, the TV sets, and refrigerators. Also, to be powering up to 10 pieces of 1 horsepower inverter air conditioners during the day. And at night, to be powering up to 6 1 horsepower inverter air conditioners. Now, if you want this kind of system for your hotel or supermarkets or restaurants or any kind of business, then YST Energy is your best option. The best part is we are currently running an offer called the YST Business Power Up Bundle. When you buy any of our solar system packages, you get free promotional video, free professional websites, and even free air conditioners, depending on the solar package installed. Now, this offer gives you the combination of power independence, visibility, structure, and customer comfort. So hurry up, click the Learn More button below this video, or click the link in our bio to claim your offer now. Remember this and remember very well. Going solar is not just for the rich. It is not just for the poor. It is for the wise. So go solar with YST Energy, and we will make your business electrically independent.